Welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we are focusing on how one single platform has completely redefined digital product creation in 2026. And yeah, we're talking about Figma. Look, if you build digital products, you already know that your tools dictate your velocity. So we're going to look directly at the latest data and community feedback to see exactly how Figma transformed from being just a really good design tool into the ultimate collaborative workspace. But before we get into the nuts and bolts, think about this for a second. Where do great digital products actually come from? Do they come from isolated designers just pushing pixels around, or engineers quietly typing out code in a total vacuum? Historically, there's always been this classic friction between design and engineering, right? Two different worlds speaking two totally different languages, which almost always results in bottlenecks. Well, the source material we are examining today suggests that great products actually come from a shared environment, a place where those historic walls are completely torn down.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1. The single source of truth.
Figma is no longer just a digital canvas. It has evolved into this central hub where teams literally live and breathe. It's really the foundational layer of modern product creation. Just take this quote from the design community. Figma is where our entire product team lives. Design, product, engineering, all in one place. This is a profound shift. It essentially serves as the actual virtual office for product creation. You don't have product managers looking at one document, designers in another file, and engineers staring at a completely different static image. The entire cross-functional team is looking at the exact same source of truth at the exact same time. To truly grasp what this means, let's define what makes Figma a true collaborative workspace. It's a centralized platform that combines powerful design, prototyping, whiteboarding, and development tools all in one single place. By merging all these previously fragmented steps, the platform empowers users to create, iterate, and ship products at record speeds. It's the ultimate consolidation of the entire creative and technical workflow into one fluid experience. Moving on to Section 2, Real-Time Collaboration Engine. This multiplayer aspect fundamentally shifts how teams work. It brings these diverse groups together and makes that single source of truth actually function in practice. Another user notes, the real-time collaboration and version history changed how we work forever. And that word, forever, really highlights the human impact here. It's not just a cool technical upgrade. It's a complete behavioral shift in how humans interact with each other while building software. It completely alleviates the stress of stepping on each other's toes. The anatomy of this multiplayer experience is highly specific. We're talking multiple people working in the exact same file simultaneously. You've got live cursors darting around the screen, simultaneous multi-user editing, and in-file comments that allow for immediate feedback right on the design itself. And crucially, there is a seamless version history. This completely eliminates those traditional version control nightmares. The system is actively tracking and managing the team's collective progress in real time. Which brings us to Section 3, Bridging Design and Development. You know, historically, the designer-developer handoff was kind of like passing a really fragile package over a high brick wall and just hoping it didn't shatter on the other side. Figma solves this tension through incredibly deep integration. And this brilliantly illustrates the divide they've closed. For designers, you have advanced tools like auto-layout, variants, variables, powerful vector editing, and interactive prototyping with complex logic. But Figma didn't leave developers out in the cold. They built dev mode and handoff. This is a dedicated space specifically for developers, featuring exact specs, actual code snippets for things like CSS and Swift UI, and direct integrations with engineering tools. By providing specialized tools for both disciplines within the same file, designers and developers are finally speaking the exact same language. Let's look at the cutting edge. Section 4, the 2026 expansion. Figma definitely hasn't rested on its laurels as just a great wireframing tool. This incredibly robust, expanded ecosystem pushes the pipeline far beyond the basics. We have FigJam for early-stage whiteboarding and brainstorming. There's Figma Slides for presentations. But the real game changers for 2026 are the advanced capabilities. We've got Figma AI, which handles first drafts, image edits, and smart searches. Then there's Figma Sites, allowing you to publish live websites directly, and Figma Make, which introduces crazy powerful prompt-to-app functionalities. When you chunk these tools together, you see a suite that massively accelerates the entire ideation to execution phase. To really put the sheer speed of these modern workflows into perspective, let's walk through this three-step process currently possible in 2026. Step 1. You begin a project by simply providing a prompt via Figma Make. Step 2, you iterate, refine, and accelerate that initial concept using Figma AI for content and layout adjustments. And step 3, you bypass traditional development bottlenecks entirely and publish directly to a live environment using Figma sites. You are literally going from a raw, abstract idea to a tangible, live product in a completely unbroken chain. And the community feedback absolutely validates this exact process. One user noted, Figma AI plus sites let us go from idea to live website ridiculously fast. It really emphasizes that these aren't just flashy, gimmicky features. They are practical, high-velocity tools that are actively turning ideas into shipped products faster than ever before. All right, Section 5, the verdict. Let's look at the pros and cons. So the crucial point is we need a reality check to maintain an impartial lens. While undeniably powerful, the downsides do include a free plan that restricts the number of Figma files and overall storage you get. Plus, if you want access to those cutting-edge advanced AI tools and premium team features, you are going to be facing a paywall requiring a paid plan. Finally, users do report occasional performance issues or lag when working with extremely large files or with incredibly complex, heavy prototypes. Basically, there is a performance ceiling you might hit if your file hygiene isn't great. But despite those specific limitations regarding the free plan and heavy files, the platform boasts a massive 4.9 out of 5 stars rating. The sources show it is universally praised for its collaboration, its rich feature set, and its all-encompassing ecosystem. For teams building digital products in 2026, it truly remains the undisputed leader and the most loved design platform on the market. Also, a quick heads up on a neat little bonus currently available. Users can actually earn a 1 QUR reward by engaging with Figma through the Quasa platform, specifically via quasa.io/project/Figma. It's a pretty interesting integration between the platform and community reward systems. So, I want to leave you with this final, provocative thought. Is your team's workspace holding you back, or is it pushing you forward? A tool is no longer just a tool. It's the very environment in which your ideas live or die. By bridging design and development and embracing AI-driven workflows, a platform like this fundamentally changes what a team can achieve. Thank you so much for joining me to explore this ecosystem. Keep building and optimize your workflow.